This right here is actually my first ever mini GT, and this is the Nissan GT-R R35 GT500 Nismo MOTUL AUTECH edition. So this is a carded one, obviously, and let's have a look at the packaging. So comes with metal body, chassis, detail and the chassis, soft rubber side mirrors and rubber tires, detailed wheel design, left-hand right-hand drive versions. I think this is the right-hand drive version. I'm not quite sure. Only one way to find out. As you can see from the outside of the packaging itself, the detail looks simply incredible. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Alright, now that we got this open, go and take a look. Comes with the box as well, of course. Let's take a look at the box. It's really just the usual logo. See if there's anything inside. Oh yeah, there's a display case. I really love the details on the tire. I hope you can see that. It says Michelin on there, which is incredible. Let's go ahead and take this off. Let's look at it. I really love the side. I really love the attention to detail on this. It even has Michelin on the license plate. Look at this thing, focus. Focus. The lights look amazing. They even got the tiny little decals on the bottom of the bumper, but the decals on the tires, that's really impressive. Permission sticker right there. Let's take a look at the interior. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the interior looks cool as well. The mirrors are rubber, of course, which I prefer compared to the mirror. Wow, that's quite reflective. I didn't even realize that. Let's take a look at how it rolls. Obviously, Mini GT is supposed to be. Oh wow, yeah, that is quite smooth actually, and the decals look even cooler when it's rolling. I really love that they did that. And tires rubber, of course. And yeah, I think this is one part where Mini GT lacks, to be honest, is the detailing at the bottom. But to be honest, like, how often are you really going to display the underside, the belly of your car? You're not, right? So, I mean, compared to what you're getting, like, you're getting incredible detail at the top. Like these lights, the badge, the stickers, the decals on tires. I think it's a I think you could ignore the lack of detail at the belly of the car. If this is what you're getting, I mean, look at the rear wing, man. I think right now in the market, Mini GT has the best uh, value for money compared to everything else. Even like Eno is considerably. I think Eno is around the same price or even more expensive, depending on where you're living. I mean, the main line Mini GTs are way cheaper than models, and you get almost the same amount of detail on Mini GTs, and that is incredible. I mean, oh, I didn't notice this. They even have a little Michelin Man decal right on the. I can't get it to focus. There you go. See that tiny Michelin Man? That's incredible. So yeah. So this is my first Mini GT, and I doubt it will be my last. If you enjoyed this video, if you are looking forward to seeing more unboxings, reviews, etc., hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys.